In this video, I will show you how to install Google Gemini on a Windows 11 PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. It's important to note you do need Google Chrome to do this. So if you do use a different browser like Firefox or Safari, make sure to download Google Chrome and open up a Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner. What you want to do is click onto this icon here which says Google Apps, and from here you should see Google Gemini. If you don't, scroll down a bit and you should find Google Gemini in the Google Apps section. Once you've located it, give it a click and that's going to take you across to Google Gemini. And what you can then do is come up to the top right hand corner of Chrome, click onto the three dots, and on this menu you want to come and hover over Cast, Save and Share. Then on this submenu you're going to see the option to install Pages app. Give it a click. What that's going to do is open a little pop-up to install this page as an app. What you can do at this point is rename the app if you want to, but I'm going to leave it set to Google Gemini and then click the install button. Now what that's going to do is install Google Gemini as its own individual app. So if I actually come back to my desktop, you're going to see we've got Google Gemini on our desktop, and we can double click this to open it as its own individual app, and then we can start using it as normal. So that is how to install Google Gemini on a Windows 11 PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.